Welcome to the ideaMaker 3.6.0 introductory video. In this video, we will show you how to use this latest version of ideaMaker with RaiseCloud for a quick and efficient printing workflow. Before you get started, you need to download and install ideaMaker version 3.6.0. Download the latest version of ideaMaker for your operating system at raise3d.com/downloads. Run the file and follow the instructions prompted by the setup wizard to complete your installation. Also, if you have not previously created an account, visit cloud.raise3d.com and click Sign Up to register a new account for free. First, open ideaMaker. Click Import Model. Select the model file you want to print, and make any necessary adjustments. Next, click the Prepare Slice button on the left side of the interface. Set the appropriate values according to your print's requirements, then click Slice. After slicing is completed, you can choose to upload the slicing file to RaiseCloud. Click the drop-down arrow of the Upload button and select Upload to RaiseCloud. Log into RaiseCloud with your Raise3D account to complete the upload. After you successfully log in, you will see the progress of the file upload in the ideaMaker interface. When you finish uploading your file, click the RaiseCloud icon to enter the RaiseCloud printing interface. Here you can assign your print tasks to one or more of your printers. Click Start Print Now, and the printer will automatically start printing. After the print has started, you can monitor your printer's progress from RaiseCloud at any time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get notified of latest updates, tips, and instructional guides. If you want to learn more about ideaMaker and RaiseCloud, visit www.raise3d.com.